How to easily summarize YouTube videos using AI. So to start, what you need to do is to open your browser and then search for ChatGPT website. Once you're in the website, make sure you have your own account and then you're logged in. So in here, what we need to do is to type a command. As an example, I'm gonna type here, can you summarize this YouTube video for me? Here's the title. After that, I'll just open a new browser and then open YouTube. In here, we'll have to search for a YouTube video that we want to summarize. So as an example, I'm going to use our own video. After that, I'm just gonna copy the title and then I'll just go back on ChatGPT and then paste it here. And then after that, I will also add a command that says, and here's the channel name. After that, I'll just go back on YouTube and then copy the name of the channel and then paste it here. After that, I'm just gonna tap on this button here and then wait for ChatGPT to process the summary. So if the summary isn't enough for you, you can also type a command here that says, can you give me key points of this video? After that, tap on the arrow icon again, and then ChatGPT will process your request. So as you can see here, it has now gave me key points of the video. So that's how easy you can summarize YouTube videos using AI. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!